Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about gradient network airdrop, and we are also going to be going straight into the business of the day. We are not going to be delaying any time on this video, so I'll be making this video as fast as possible so that you can continue with your scrolling and your other business of the day. So you can see over here that we are on the gradient network Twitter account right here, and over here you can see that they say that they are the open layer for compute on Solana. So this simply means that this is a Solana project, and it is also a DPIN project. So DPIN actually stands for decentralized physical infrastructure network, and over here guys, this is one of their projects, and we are also going to be doing the airdrop just the same way that we actually did grass airdrop, which gave us a whole lot of money ranging from $100 to $200 and even up to $1,000 and even more. So right now let me show you guys the backers of this project. So you can see over here guys, this project is being backed by Hongshan, which is also a China company, and also Multi Capital, which is the best research and insights in crypto. And finally, they are being backed by Panchera Capital, which is the first US institutional asset manager focused exclusively on blockchain. Now, let's not waste any time at all. Let's go straight into the business of the day. But before you go ahead and start this airdrop, I need you to actually go ahead to your Play Store. Make sure you download this application called Mrs. Browser. So over here, guys, on this application, this is where you're gonna be you are going to be able to do everything correctly and effectively. So right now, after installing the Mrs. Browser from your Play Store, you go ahead to open it like this. So once you open it up, this is how it's going to be looking like. And also, the next thing you actually need to do from here is to simply go below the video description of this video. You are going to be seeing the link that you actually need to paste right here before you can actually get started with this airdrop. So first of all, let's go ahead and of course paste the link right here. And over here guys, I need to paste the link which I've copied already, and once you just paste the link, you go ahead and of course search for it. Okay, so after copying the link from the video description and pasting it right here on your Mrs. Browser, this is going to be taking you to the gradient network website, which actually looks just like this. So the first thing that you actually need to do for you to actually get started immediately, simply input your email address. So over here right now, I need to input my email address real quick, and once you are done inputting your email address, you go ahead to confirm it. So, and after that, over here, this is the next thing you're going to be seeing, which is your special welcome. All right, so over here you can see over here that this invite code is going to be inserted here automatically, provided that you use the link on the video description of this video. So after that, you go ahead and click on get boosted. So once you click on get boosted, you are going to be required to create your password real quick. So I'm going to be doing that right now. And once you are done inputting your password, you go ahead to click on this button right here. So, and you go ahead and then click on sign up. All right, so they are going to be sending you some code on your email box. Go to your email box to get the code that they're going to be sending to you, and once you get the code, then you go ahead and paste the code right here, just like I'm going to be doing it right now. So over here guys, on my email, this is the code 6KHU1Q. okay, so let's now go ahead and put it right here, and the email code is 6KHU1Q. I guess I'm correct. So right now, let's go ahead and click on verify. Let me see if I was actually able to put that correctly. And after that guys, you are going to be seeing that you are going to be receiving this congratulations message right here. So you go ahead and click on open dashboard. All right, and after that guys, this is the message that you're going to be seeing. Okay, so this is the exact message that you're going to be seeing. So over here guys, a lot of things actually exist, but let me show you guys the next thing that you actually need to do from here. You can see over here guys, I have not yet started mining this now, but the next thing that I actually need to do is to simply click on download extension right here. Okay, so you click on download extension. This is going to be opening up where you are going to be required to add this to your Chrome. Please make sure you are using Mrs. Browser, because if you use your normal Chrome browser, you won't be able to add it like I'm going to be doing it right now. So you go ahead to click on add to Chrome. So once you click on add to Chrome, you are going to be confirming this, and it will be added immediately to your Chrome. And once it is added to your Chrome, that is when your own airdrop actually starts properly. So once it is added, this is what is going to be happening to your own dashboard, just like it is happening to mine right now. And you can see how it is actually loading up. Let me show you guys the next thing right now. So once I've done adding it to my extension, let me show you guys the next thing that you actually need to do. So what I need to do from here is to simply go ahead to click right here on this button right here, and you scroll down, you select gradient sensory node. Okay, so once you select it like this, it's going to be loading up real quick. Let me show you guys the next thing you actually need to do from here. Okay, you can see over here you're going to be receiving this welcome message right here. Then you go ahead and click on I got it. Over here right now, you are now connected properly. So you can look right here. If you look right here, you can see that this is showing good. This means that I'm actually connected. And over here guys, let me show you guys some other cool stuff that you actually need to do in order for you to position well for this airdrop. So over here guys, once you click over here guys on this button right here at the top, you are going straight to your dashboard. Let's now click it together. So you can see I just clicked this right now, and this is going to be taking me to my dashboard. And over here guys on my dashboard, let me show you guys some other stuff that you actually need to do. Okay, so over here guys on your dashboard, you can see right now I'm now having a different interface right now because I've done the thing that I actually need to do, which means that I've actually started mining. Let's start from here, and over here guys, let me show you guys what you need to do from here. So once you click right here, this is going to be taking you to the statue where you're going to be seeing some stuff about yourself, some of your personal information and all that. You can see that I just got started right now and I haven't actually spent any time right here. And you can also see that I'm just a pioneering kayak right here, and this shows my IP and all that. When you click over here guys on more details right now, you are going to be seeing some more details about yourself. You can see where your IP is, and a whole lot of stuff actually shows up right here. Let's now go to the next one, which is this badge icon right now. So over here guys, you are going to be seeing some statistics about yourself. For example, I just started today being the 15th of November. Okay, so when you scroll down again, you can see this is where some achievements are, and over here guys on the achievements, you can actually do some stuff to actually earn yourself even more reward. For example, if I have up to 10 qualified referrals, I'm going to be getting 5,000 XPs. Also over here, there are a lot of things that you can actually do. For example, if you connect your X account, you are going to be getting 10,000 XPs, and even over here guys, if you secure your first qualified referral, you are going to be getting 2,000 XPs. Okay, so when you scroll down, you can see that there are other cool stuff that you can actually do right here. For example, if you stay up to 72 hours on this node, that is if you are actively up to 72 hours, you are going to be getting 1,000 XPs. And if you can stay up and steady for 12 hours of daily uptime, you are also going to be getting 1,000 XP. There are a whole lot of other cool stuff right here, but we do not have time to actually explain it from A to Z. So over here guys on this center button, this is where you actually see your dashboard actually. So over here you can see I am on my first season, which is the season 0, and also I haven't gotten any reward yet. So over here guys, you can see I am connected, and a whole lot of other stuff shows up right here. And over here guys, you can actually perform this task on your computer or on your laptop. So right now let's go to the next one, which is over here where you actually get your referral. So over here guys, you can see this is where your referral account is being shown. You can see this is my referral code. You can actually use this code right here to actually create your own account. It is so simple. While creating your own account, just insert this and your account will be created successfully. And you can see that I'm going to be getting 20 points plus 10% bonus reward on anybody that I actually refer into the system. And also a lot of cool stuff comes in right here. For example, both parties get 20 points for every qualified referral, and the referral earn a perpetual 10% bonus from all the referees reward. This means that if you sign up using my own referral link, I'm going to be getting 10% from all that you are going to be earning. This doesn't affect your referral. This automatically comes from the system. It does not affect the amount of token that you are going to be earning. All right, so right now there are a lot of cool stuff right here. For example, when you come over here on this last button right here, you are going to be seeing that this is where your status is actually going to be showing. I'm on my bronze level, and of course this is the amount of XP that I've actually got. And for me to level up to silver level, I need to get up to 9,000 XPs for me to actually go to silver level. Remember, your level actually determines your airdrop reward. And also when you scroll down, you are going to be required to connect your Twitter and also your Discord. Remember, this is very, very important that you connect it right now, because it is also going to be helping you get a bigger airdrop allocation. So this is all you need to know concerning graded network in no past like this, guys. So if you got a value out of this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It actually means the whole world to me. I'm begging you to do that, please. All right, also like this video to actually motivate me to create more content like this. And finally, do not forget to let me know what you think on the comment section. And remember, the starting link to this airdrop is going to be on the video description. Please let me know what you think about this airdrop, guys. I will talk to you guys on my later videos that will be exposing to you guys how you can actually position yourself well to earn maximally on this crypto space. Peace out, guys, and of course, do have a lovely day.